Snoopy does Dallas. Snoopy, Senior Snoopy. Oh, Son Snoopy. Who is he? Snoopy the kid. Go, Snoopy, go.
Woo! The crowds go wild.
Woohoo! Woo! Go.
Annie broke Snoopy.
Annie broke Snoopy. Now he can't cook an egg.
Let's see if the young Snoopy or the old Snoopy's going to die out first.
Oh, the young Snoopy will die out first. Go, Senior Snoopy. Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm pulling for the Senior Snoopy. Come on. Go. No, you don't.
Hey, they died at the same time.
Up at the same time.
Yay, it was a tie. That was fair.
Yay!